Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll look at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so here is the momentum of the Bitcoin. So yesterday, because we had the Fed meeting outcome, so we have seen a good volatility yesterday, and look at the volumes, look at the price range for the whole day. So it came down to 20,000 level. Again, that is a level of support area, and to the higher side it went up to 20,800. So if you remember, our 100 EMA level is very near to it 20,800. So precisely it is 20,747, and that was the time when the market was going up, and even the US market and even the Bitcoin was moving up. So that was a time we were thinking that, okay, if we got a closing above than this, we will be getting a very good upside momentum in the upcoming days. But again, that doesn't happen, that didn't happen. And now the price, however, it's still closed above than the support level, but it came down by the end of the day. So this is something which we have seen a very good volatility yesterday. Now what we can expect, again we can expect that till the time the price is just holding up this 20,000 level, this is the support level, we will be getting a good upside momentum, not immediately but in the upcoming few days. So we can mark a resistance at 22,600, and we can mark a support level at 20,000. Now the moment we will see a good close above than this 100 EMA, we will be getting a very good upside solid momentum. So this is what we can expect, and let's just wait for today and tomorrow, because Saturday and Sunday is little lackluster. So let's just wait for 2 more days closing, and we'll be getting a good data on a weekly basis. We would be able to decide that what can happen in the next week. So this is what we can expect for the Bitcoin, and the price should be there in this area, in this range. And if everything goes well, and if there is no negative event, if there is nothing negative in the market, you might not see that the price will close below than 20,000 level. So this 20,000 is an important level for the Bitcoin. Now if I'll ask, or if I'll tell you about the Ethereum, as I am again and again saying this thing, that it looks little more promising than your Bitcoin. But again, the moment we will see a crossover of the 200 and 100 EMA, then we will see some more action in the Ethereum. So again, yesterday it tried to just go slightly below than this support area of 1510. So but closing above than this is a sign that we might not see a fall below than this level. So we will definitely see slightly upside momentum from here, because now the price is again trading at the support level, and the resistance we can mark as 1725, not the 1000. Really sorry for that. So what we need to see, we just need to wait for the crossover, and the moment these two moving averages will give you a crossover, you will definitely see more upside momentum in the Ethereum. So this is a situation in almost the major cryptocurrencies. This is a situation where the price is basically trying to just give you a reversal. So whenever there is a trend change, or whenever there is a signal of trend reversal, you will see this kind of momentum, like because both the buyers and sellers are available. So this time we are getting a downtrend in the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, and the price is somewhat trying to give a reversal from here. So the moment we will see a good reversal signal, you will start getting upside momentum both in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is what we can expect in the near term, in the short term. But for the today's momentum, and for the maybe today and tomorrow's momentum, we might able to see a kind of consolidation for the both of the cryptocurrencies. So this is all from my side, and if you like this content, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'll meet you tomorrow, and till then, be safe in the market, happy trading, and thank you so much for watching me.